That's it. You start on the other one now and I'll pack all that away.
I'll just move this out of the way.
That's alright. He'll be alright. Be careful, I told you how to use it, otherwise you're going to hit your leg. Stand up, I showed you to do it.
Huh?
Yeah. Now get around to one of the bigger panels because they'll come off easier. Yeah. Oh, that's it. Mind your leg.
Pardon?
Mind your legs. Hit it.
I'll try this, but it won't be easy.
Yes. Yes. You weren't better than most of the blokes I work with. Ooh, you split that one right in half.
Pardon?
You split that one right in half. Get it up on the other corner.
I'm just going to bend this so I don't, like,
Don't worry about that.
get it.
Go on, because my car will be back in a minute. We'll get this stacked up. Just hoof it.
Go away.
Yeah, spider.
Yeah. Still moving.
Leave him alone then. Go on, hit that last panel off. Careful. Right, got to stack it all up now.